guys, long time no see. I am, silly me. I'm trying to get my Etsy shop closed up. I had a retreat this past weekend and everything has been crazy, but I am just doing great. And I wanted to check in with you. And of course, on top of all of that, because I'm closing the Etsy shop, I wanted to try and consolidate things so that I could get stuff back into my craft room that I wanted, and things that I didn't want I could give away, sell, or I did pick up a little consignment type shop place where I've got a table where I can put some stuff. So I will be doing that as well. But anyway, I am redoing my craft room, and I would have done a before picture, but I told my husband what I wanted to do, and I was going to come in and do the before picture, and he said, okay, I got my screw done, what do you want? And I'm like, oh! So I just took advantage of that and let him take down the piece. So if you want to look at one of my old craft room ones since 2019, you will see on my wall I had fabric and paper that was behind the closet door. Well, I had him remove that. So I'm going to show you what I put in the place. This was a something I had in my shop that I was using as my shop stuff. And then also the next cabinet that I have was one that was in our bedroom, but we really weren't using it for anything. So I've put it to good use. So let me pause, turn everything around so I can show you. Now everything's a mess, but it's a work in progress. So I'm going to kind of bring you guys along with me as we go, okay? So back in a sec. Okay, so as I walk in my room, this is my wall of ribbon. I think everybody has seen that because it's been in every video. I love having my ribbon out like this because I can just fan it open, see what I have, and pick and go. I love it. Now this was in my Etsy shop, in my laundry room. And I have sorted all of my material that I want to keep by color, or there's a couple of them that are just their theme ones, very mixed colors and so forth. And yeah, my chicken and my rooster they don't have a home yet. So I have just kind of put things on there to get them out of my way. This was in our bedroom. This was a find we had years ago, and I used to use it for my crafting, and then it ended up in our bedroom here, and we just weren't using it for anything. So now I have it that there's pink laces and ribbons. Mostly this is lace. There's brown. So all of these drawers, and they're removable. Or I can pull the whole drawer out. This is an actual library one, and I didn't want to alter it at all. And of course I've got a mess on the top of that. And then I brought this back out from my closet because it fit in the space that I had left, because I had to leave a little space so that I could actually open my door to get into this messy closet. But that's where that white multi-drawer unit was. So I'm going to split those wider and put another shelving unit in there. But this all needs something done. It is a mess. Okay, and then all this lace that I have on these material bolts will go with what was on this wall, because this was on the bottom of it. So that will go in my room as well. I'm trying to clean this table off and get it out of here. So that's what I'm working on now. And then my shelves are all going to get redone. And I've got my light over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. And I've emptied some of my some of these drawers. The two top ones are basically empty because I put the lace into the library folder thingy. And then this is quite the mess, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So that's where I'm at right now. I don't know that much on this shelving unit will change, but you know, I could be wrong. And then I have this that will be pulled out a little bit because right now it's to the wall just for ease of movement with big boxes and stuff. And then I have, this is an IKEA rolling cart and then 2 plastic totes. I do have one more of these plastic totes that I'm going to bring in. I'm just not exactly sure where I'm going to put it. So, and I took my roller carts and got them down underneath my table. That was originally what I'd planned on doing. This one has all my inks and mixed media stuff. And this one's absolutely empty. So, yay! We'll get to play with that. So, yeah, I will bring you guys along. I'm going to flip you around. There you go. So, I'll bring you along as I go along. I miss you guys. Give me some comments and let me know how everybody's doing and what you're up to and what you're making, because I've been kind of, you know, not doing nothing. Until next time, guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Let's get this turned off now. Woohoo!